Hello guys, how's it going? Today I got a quick video for you on my channel. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back, and if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos and comment below for more videos and requests. So today we're going to be doing a quick video on the assembly of the Dyson V10 unit. So it comes in 4 bits, as you can see here. So we got the main body, you got the dustbin, you got the filter that goes to the back of the main body, and you got the battery there as well. So all you're gonna need is basically 3 screws. So if that is something you're interested in, obviously when I say assemble it, it's kind of in this video you can see how you disassemble it as well, because it obviously just works in reverse order. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, tune in guys, and let's get started. Right, so I'm gonna start with putting the dustbin on there first. It's nice and easy, you just slide it on. It clips on. The filter at the back, obviously everyone knows it's nice and easy. You just screw it in there, it locates itself and you lock it in. On installation of the battery, you need to be careful because you need to make sure that the contacts go in. There's 2 contacts in there and 2 in there. So you just have to slide it in. Obviously it pops the button out because there's the control arm for it. And then all we have to do is fit 1, 2, 3 screws. Right, so the screws are back in, and the back one there as well, so that's all done. At this point, obviously, I do recommend to fully charge the battery. If you put in a new battery, you got that in the manual anyway. And I'm gonna try it now. Just to let you know, the battery, you might have noticed, it's not the genuine one. You can buy these batteries for about 35 to 40 pounds on Amazon or eBay. I'll put the link in the description below. Same for the filter at the back. Obviously, you can wash them. You got the instructions to wash them. And also the dustbin, these I bought as well brand new on Amazon or eBay. I'll put the link in the description below for that as well. The main body itself is the Dyson one. Again, you can buy the genuine ones as well on their website, but yeah, it depends what you're obviously doing with your unit. And the adapter is exactly the same. You can buy the adapters, all different sets. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I'm just going to quickly try it. Yeah, that's all working spot on. Right guys, so here we are. Everything's working properly. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget obviously to give us a subscribe, like the video and comment below. And also if you got any more questions that you would like to request any other videos, please do comment below and let me know. Have a good day. See you later.